Hello, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here today. I welcome you to this channel. This is Lasodini Talk. Okay, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can earn 150 US dollars weekly profit. 150 US dollar weekly profit on your investment. Okay, okay, not 20, not 30, not 100, but how you can make 150 US dollar in on weekly basis. 150 US dollar is approximately 89,000 naira for those that are in Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can get it done. Step by step on how you can get it done. So let me quickly show you my withdrawal proof. Okay, this is my Binance. This is my Binance. So I received the withdrawal around this time on the 1st of May 2022. I received one around 50.00 USDT. So USDT is a cryptocurrency that is equivalent in price and value with the US dollar. So when you have one USDT, that means you have one US dollar. When you have 150 USDT, it also means you have 150, approximately 150 US dollars. Okay, so now let me show you the platform whereby you can get this done on weekly basis. So I'm going to show you my withdrawal record there as well, so that it can complement what I have on my Binance account here. All right, the name of the platform is COTP. Is an acronym for cryptocurrency over the counter trading platform. Cryptocurrency over the counter trading platform. So I'm going to explain to you better how this company, how it works, because cryptocurrency USDT in particular is being traded here. So I'm going to show you how you can get it done based on the artificial intelligence that has been embedded in the system that will facilitate more that will facilitate earning more on your daily trade. Okay, so quickly let me show you the withdrawal record here. Okay, as you can see, I withdrew 150.46 US dollar, 150.46 US dollar, and the after the withdrawal charge. Now, getting back to this platform, once again, the name of the platform is COTP, which is an acronym for cryptocurrency, crypto over the counter trading platform. Okay, now the question is that how does it work? How does it work? So it works based on the artificial intelligence that has been embedded here. So is like an arbitrage trading platform whereby USDT is being traded upon. As I said earlier, USDT is a cryptocurrency that is equivalent in price and value with the US dollar. So here USDT is being traded. Okay. So what are the requirements? The requirement is just to have an account, and to fund it, I need to do your uh, identity authentication, and you need to put your wallet and fund it and start trading. So you can be asking that how can you be trading when you don't, if you don't have the prior knowledge of cryptocurrency trading? Yes, I got you covered through this platform, because it is not a manual trade. But what just happened is that you are the one to initiate this trade. For instance, now I'm going to start a trade now. It's what you can get done in the less than in just 2 minutes. Let me say in 2 minutes. So you can get it done in 2 minutes. For instance, I'm going to start a trade now. As you can see, my total asset is 346. 346. So in my wallet balance, I have 346.255. All right. So that is approximately 346 USDT. So after you have funded, After your account has been funded, then the next thing for you to do is to come to the transaction hall here where I am right now. Then you click on immediate competition for orders. So when you click it, they search for high priced orders for you. So it will search for high price orders for you, and you'll be connected with another buyer across the world. Okay, as you can see, I've been connected with this buyer, and out of my 346, 162 USDT has been selected to be traded with. Okay, so I will click on sell here. So after I clicked on sell, so the transaction will start, and then I will need to confirm it. So this transaction will be completed in approximately 2 hours. But provided I still have enough in my wallet balance, I need to exhaust it until the money there is not up to $5 again. So I will need to click on immediate competition for orders again. Okay, I've clicked on that. So I have been linked with another buyer across the world. Okay, so I'm using 103 USDT here in this transaction. Okay, so I will need to confirm it, and now I see have 81.255. So I will need to click on immediate competition for orders again until the wallet balance is below 5 USDT. So all right, I've been connected with another buyer. Then I'm selling to him or her. So the amount of order here is just 56. So I will need to confirm again. So I still have 25 here. So another rounds of trade. Okay, sell. This is a Nigerian buyer. Confirm. So I still have 6. Click on it. Okay, sell. Confirm. So that is how to get it done. So I will need to wait for approximately 2 hours for the completion of this trade. So I can check it out here to know the exact time that each of the trade will be completed, so that I can go for another trading session. As you can see, it is very, very simple. You are the one to initiate the trade, but you are not the one trading it. As you can see, I've done my own now. So it takes less than 2 minutes for me to do everything. All right. So now, for you to know the actual time that the trade will drop, that will be completed, just scroll down. Then you can see all the trade that I just did. Now let me refresh. Let me refresh. Though the time here compared to the time of the platform, the date and time of the platform compared to my time is like five hours difference. So you can see the last trade was 5. Next one is 19, 56, 103, and 162. So I will now click on this drop down arrow to know the exact time that of $5 will be completed. So I will just need to add like 5 hours to it, so that I can know the actual time in my own time zone. Okay, so it will be completed in 10:56. 10:56 plus 5 hours, that is 15:56. So that is some minutes to 4 here in Nigeria. So that is the time that all this trade will be completed, especially for that of 5 USDT here. So I will need to set my alarm or to come back when it is 4 o'clock Nigerian time, so that I can start another trading session. So you can get this done in like 11 times in a day, depending on your consistency and how diligent you are. So for that reason, you are earning 0.3% on each trading session. So if you can go for 10 rounds in a day, that means you are earning 3% of your capital on daily basis. So, and yes, it is auto compounding. It is auto compounding because both your profit and your capital will drop back in your wallet balance after the successful completion of the trade. So you can use everything again to start another trading session. So which means in a month of 30 days, you can earn more than your 100% in a month. You can, that is when you are earning 3% daily, and you are doing auto compound, that means you will surely earn more than 100% of your capital as profit in a month. So this is how I have been making money online. So for you to make $150 in a month, so you can just do the calculation. We can do the calculation. Sorry, for you to make $150 in a week, let's assume you are having like $1,000 as your trading capital. So let's do some calculation here, and you are making 3% daily. 1,000 times 3%. So that means you are earning $30 on daily basis times 7 days times, so that is 210. So you can even earn more than 150. You can earn with capital of $1,000, you are earning $210 on weekly basis. $210. So it depends on your capital. It depends on your capital. And also I have some referral. You can also invite your friends and family to join this business so that you can also benefit from your work done. So for instance, I have my referral in both in level 1, level 2, and level 3 of this platform. And as you can see, I have some people there. And this residual incomes is profits that I'm going to make from my referral. So when I click on receive, it will surely add up to what I have in my balance. It will add up to this. So I will go to level 2 now to check if I have any residual income there. So nothing there for now. I'm level 3. So okay, I have 0.034. Okay, so I receive, so everything will be added up to my wallet balance. So that is how I've been making money on weekly basis, $150 on weekly basis. You too can start making money now. The platform is there to stay, and the internet is there for you to stay. So you just need to capitalize on these and make your money on daily basis. Thanks so much. This is where I'm going to end this video for today. If you have any question, don't forget that for you to start COTP, you need registration link from an existing user. So for that reason, just check the description box of this video for the registration link and the activation code, and register your account. And if you need any help concerning funding or any question, then you can contact me. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. Use the comment section of this video for your question, and you can also contact me on WhatsApp. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget that this video is brought to you courtesy of Last Journey Stock. So if you are new on this channel, please kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next update. Last Stock is created to share with you my ideas on how you can make money online, or to review online investment platform and give you my sincere recommendation. So if you are at the edge of joining a platform and you don't know if it is legit or a scam, just forward it to me for a review, and I promise you my sincere review and recommendation. Alright, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, as this can be the financial liberation educational content that they might have been waiting for. Thanks so much for this, and God bless you abundantly. Meet me in the next video. Until then, have a nice day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.